Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of SEO, using keywords effectively on your WordPress website. Let's get started. First off, what are keywords? Keywords are the terms and phrases that people type into search engines when looking for information. Choosing the right keywords is essential for attracting the right audience to your site. To start, you need to research keywords relevant to your niche. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest can help you find keywords with good search volume and manageable competition. Look for long-tail keywords. These are more specific and often easier to rank for. Now that you have your keywords, it's time to incorporate them into your WordPress site. Here's how. 1. Page titles. Make sure to include your primary keyword in your page titles. This helps search engines understand what your content is about. 2. Headings. Use keywords in your headings and subheadings. This not only improves SEO, but also makes your content easier to read. 3. Content naturally. Integrate your keywords into the body of your content. Aim for a keyword density of around 1 to 2%. Avoid keyword stuffing. Your content should always sound natural. 4. Meta descriptions. Don't forget to add keywords to your meta descriptions. This snippet appears in search results, so make it engaging. To simplify the process, consider using SEO plugins like Rank Math or Yoast SEO. These tools offer guidance on where to place your keywords and help optimize your content effectively. Finally, it's crucial to monitor the performance of your keywords. Use Google Analytics or other tracking tools to see how your pages are ranking and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, keyword optimization is an ongoing process. Regularly update your content and keywords to stay relevant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on optimizing your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.